delighted to welcome Paul into the VidPod studio today. So, Paul, you work in the SEND area. Can you tell me a little bit about that, why you do it, and where the funding comes from?
I work for a charity called Digital Advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Digital Advantage is a charity based in the centre of Manchester. We have various aspects going on. The organisation has been running outreach work in schools and colleges across the northwest of England for the best part of a decade. A few years ago, we merged with a digital agency called Send Code, and we have set up a fantastic college for interns based in the city centre of Manchester, where young people with various special educational needs and disabilities, a wide range of how that manifests itself, are working on real life projects for clients. So we're talking about website design, animation, all sorts of different projects, podcasting. Some of the projects are things that we create in-house to give the young people skills and to build a portfolio, but we're also trying to find local businesses, third sector organisations to get involved. Come to us if you haven't got a budget, you need a piece of design work doing, anything along those lines, filmmaking, animation, graphic design, lots of different areas, then come to talk to DISC.
Okay.
You can just pop.
Is there a website?
There certainly is.
Okay.
So it's Digital Independent Specialist College. So if you look there, then we've got some very talented young people. But my role isn't working directly with the college. So I head up our outreach projects.
Okay.
So we receive funding from various organisations to go out and work with cohorts of around about a dozen young people. The vast majority of the work we do will be with young people with SEND. We tend to work not exclusively, but from year 9 up to post 16. And I have a team of around 7 or 8 trainers. We're all from industry. So our background will be from something within the creative sector. So it could be, we've got a podcasting production company founder. We've got a couple of people who work in training and marketing and social media consultancy, in broadcasting. So a wide range of sort of experiences. And our trainers go in normally for a week. At the end of that week, with that group of young people, we create a brand, a website, and loads of fascinating multi-platform content that the young people have created about their school or college. Now, we work both in terms of mainstream and alternative provision. The funding you mentioned, that comes from different places. We're doing some great work in Greater Manchester at the moment with an organisation called the Access Foundation. It's a national charity that supports people with autism. We have a long-standing relationship with Lancashire County Council and Future You, which is NCOP. They still call them NCOPs, but you're familiar, aren't you, with they're an organisation set up around about 2010, involving universities to encourage people from non-traditional backgrounds to go to university. So we work with young people across the whole of Lancashire, and as part of that project we also take them to a campus of a university or a higher education provider, show them some of the specialist support that's there for people with additional needs. And it's great, Phil, because you get they have student ambassadors, and these are inspirational young people that have overcome. So we've had some deaf students that have gone on and doing an MA in law, and they come and talk to kids that are in year 9.
Inspirational. Kids
that have also got issues with hearing, and it's like, you see their eyes open up, and you see like, wow, not limiting their ambition and showing them how they can use digital technology in a way that can help make them more employable.
That sounds fascinating. Thank you very much, Paul.